At 7:05 a.m. this morning, a Malawi Defense Force aircraft number MAF-TO3 left Mzuzu Airfield and landed at Kamuzu International Airport at 7:48 a.m. to carry the Honorable Vice President to Mzuzu to attend the funeral of former Attorney General and Minister of Justice, late Honorable of Kasambala. Then at 9:17 a.m., the aircraft departed Kamuzu International Airport with the Vice President and 9 other individuals on board, including Mr. Lucas Kapeni, Mr. Chisomo Chimaneni, Ms. Gloria Mtukule, Ms. Chanil Zimbiri, Mr. Dan Kanyemba, Mr. Abdul Lapken, as well as Colonel Sambalopa, Major Selemani, and Major Aydin, who were the MDF officers operating the aircraft. However, upon arrival in Mzuzu, the pilot was unable to land the plane due to poor visibility occasioned by bad weather. And aviation authorities advised the aircraft to return to Lilongwe. But the authorities soon lost contact with the aircraft. The MDF commander contacted me immediately, and I ordered him to effect a search and rescue operation and to give me a report within 4 hours. That report was given to me at 3 p.m., and by that time, it had been established using signals from telecommunication towers in the area that the plane was located somewhere within a 10-kilometer radius of Raiplai, which has since become the area of focus for the MDF search and rescue operation. I know that some media outlets have reported that the search and rescue operations has been suspended, but this is false. MDF soldiers are still on the ground carrying out the search, and I have given strict orders that the operation should continue until the plane is found. I have also directed the MDF officials who are overseeing the operation to give you, everyone, regular updates on how the operation is going so that you can all be informed about the progress of establishing what happened to our loved ones, our colleagues, and our fellow compatriots who were on board that flight. I know that this is a heartbreaking situation. I know that we are all frightened and concerned. I too am concerned. But I want to assure you that I am sparing no available resource to find that plane. And I am holding on to every fiber of hope that we will find survivors. We have already contacted our neighboring countries, as well as development partners, including the U.S. government, the British government, the Norwegian government, and the Israeli government, who have all offered support in different forms, including the use of specialized technologies that will enhance our capacity to find the plane sooner. And I am most grateful for this support. Until I address you again, I ask you to use the MDF updates as an official source of information so that you are not misled by hearsay. And more than anything, I ask you to pray for those who are on board and for their families. But come what may, I assure you that God is with us and will see us through this dark tunnel, especially if we stick together and help each other. Thank you all for listening, and God bless you.